internal rebel forces have risen and said that no, we are going to fight the coup d'etat plotters. Now, these rebel forces has automatically made themselves available for use by the foreign machineries, by the foreign government. This is coming after the United States sent a message to Niger and tell them that if you people fail to return the country back to democracy, to the normalcy, or return Bazoum back to power, that they will be forced to come in. Breaking news. Just as I have predicted, the ex-rebel leader and politician in Niger, Boula, he has spoken and risen against the coup d'etat that happened in Niger. Now, the ex-rebel leader has said that he is going to raise a force that will challenge the coup plotters and restore Bazoum back to power. Now, if you are in the journey of liberation in your country, what your prayer should be is that there should not be a rebel force that will stand against your goal and what you want to achieve in the country. Because if you have a rebel force that will stand up against what you want to do, automatically the foreign forces that have been looking for a way to enter you, that is like an easy access to penetrate you. For example, if the rebel forces have said that they are going to go against what the coup plotters are doing, and they say that no, we don't accept this coup and we want to restore Bazoum back to power, automatically the country is on its way to destruction. What they are fighting for, the reason why they went on a coup in the first place, is that they say that they have resources, but they are still suffering that the French government have been manipulating them. And that is why they had the coup. The French government, they said that as they manipulating them through Bazoum, or in cooperation with Bazoum, and that is why they removed Bazoum, that they have been suffering and they want to liberation. Now, they are on a journey to liberation. A rebel force has risen. Once this rebel force has shown interest to fight, because it has been a deliberation of diplomacy that ECOWAS and external forces should not invade the Niger with military. Now, since the military invasion has been debated and opposed by so many people, internal rebel forces have risen and said that no, we are going to fight the coup d'etat plotters. Now, these rebel forces has automatically made themselves available for use by the foreign machineries, by the foreign government. This is coming after the United States sent a message to Niger and tell them that if you people fail to return the country back to democracy, to the normalcy, or return Bazoum back to power, that they will be forced to come in. But they cannot just come in like that. These internal forces have made themselves available. So automatically, who is going to suffer? The country, Niger, is going to suffer. Instead of them to go forward, they will keep going backward. Look at the likes of Libya. Look at the likes of Syria. Look at the likes of Somalia. Look at the likes of Mali. Burkina Faso said that World Bank has seized and stopped aid to them. French has cut supply of aid, providing aid to Burkina Faso. And the Burkina Faso president, that is the military president, came out and said that for over how many years now they have been receiving aid from France and they have not developed, that they want to work on themselves. Fine. Sometimes when people try to withdraw their support that they give you, automatically maybe God is trying to stand you on your own and even bless you. Sometimes maybe the reason why God is not even blessing you is because of the support that you rely on, and you forget that there is an almighty support. So what I'm saying is that since there is an internal rebel force that has risen against the coup d'etat, it automatically make them available for use by the foreign government. Automatically Niger is going to suffer. The country will now be a war zone, because if US come in, automatically Russia will defend Niger, and automatically it will become a war. Still, deliberations are still going on. That is why, because we sent Abdul Salam and Baba Gana can give what they call him, Sultan of Sokoto, to go and deliberate and furthermore discuss peace in a diplomatic way, of which the coup d'etat plotters did not agree. The meeting did not end well. But Nigeria has still not relented. They have sent Sanusi Lamido to go and still further deliberate, because if it results into war, since the rebel forces have shown interest to repel the coup d'etat plotters, automatically it might result in a war, and a war is something we cannot afford. As a matter of fact, the interest of Niger is also, if you avoid a war, avoiding a war in Niger is avoiding a war in northern Nigeria, because like I always say in my other videos, we have lived with Niger for so long, we have intermarried, we are close to them, we are sharing border, we are doing business together. We have a lot of Nigerians in Niger. Attacking Niger or a war in Niger will not be fair to Nigeria. It is going to take us backwards, whether you like it or not. So I will still advise that further diplomacy be taken. Peace should be an option, not war. And I'm doing this video to please beg the rebel forces to please relax. Allah, please. The country is going to suffer. The country is going to be the one to suffer. Niger will go backward more and more and more. Help will come, fine, yes, we understand, but the country will continue to go backward. I just thought I should bring you the update of the latest development in Niger, like I promised. Don't forget, President Boula Ahmed Tinubu has said that he has vowed to reduce how the country borrows abroad. He is going to reduce borrowing. Automatically, he is on the journey to stop Nigeria from borrowing money abroad. How does he plan to achieve that? Nigerians should brace up for more stricter tax policies, because what Tinubu is trying to do is trying to strengthen the tax policies. Automatically, we are going to generate what we need in the country. Yes. Some of us are saying that, abroad is fine, abroad is good, abroad this one. If Nigeria start to behave like abroad, if all of us start to comply and pay our taxes, trust me, not just paying the taxes, if we pay the taxes and the taxes go to the right channel and being used in the right way, the country is going to be on a road to development. I know, I agree. But will the money be channeled to the right source? Will it be channeled to do the right thing? Will somebody not go and siphon the money? That is the question we are asking. I remember myself, Shaibu, and I continue to bring you updates on the Niger crisis and what is happening in our country, Nigeria. Even as I'm trying to do that, in the process of doing that, some people will still say I don't have sense. I don't know anything. I am daft. I agree. Have I ever claimed to have sense? No, I have not. From the onset, I have been saying I don't have sense. I agree. But Google me if you like. Don't Google me, because I am the Spice Creator. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video.